Welcome to Debt-Free Dreams. Are you trying to transfer TRC20 USDT from your OKX wallet to Binance and convert it into Bitcoin? Don't know where to start? Don't worry, I've got your back. In this ultimate step-by-step guide, I'll show you exactly how to do it, avoid costly mistakes, and ensure your funds stay safe. Stick around, and let's make this process simple for you. Part 1. Understanding the basics. Before we dive in, let's quickly go over the basics. TRC20 is a blockchain network powered by Tron, which means you'll need some TRX tokens in your OKX wallet to cover the transaction fee. Binance is the exchange where you'll receive your USDT and convert it into Bitcoin. Knowing this helps us navigate the process smoothly. Let's get started. Step 1. Access your OKX wallet. Log into your OKX account. Go to the Assets or Wallet section to see your USDT balance. Pro tip: if you've lost access to your account, use your recovery phrase to restore it. Your recovery phrase is like a master key, so keep it safe and private. Step 2. Get your Binance TRC20 deposit address. Now, let's grab the deposit address for TRC20 USDT on Binance. Here's how. 1. Log into your Binance account. 2. Go to wallet greater than fiat and spot. 3. Search for USDT and click deposit. 4. Select the TRC20 network. This step is crucial to avoid errors. 5. Copy the TRC20 deposit address Binance provides. Pro tip: double check that you've selected the TRC20 network, as sending to the wrong network could result in losing your funds. Step 3. Send USDT from OKX to Binance. With your Binance deposit address ready, it's time to send your USDT from OKX. 1. Go to the Withdraw section in your OKX wallet. 2. Select USDT as the asset. 3. Paste the Binance TRC20 deposit address into the recipient field. 4. Select the TRC20 network. 5. Enter the amount of USDT you want to transfer. 6. Double-check all the details and click Confirm. Pro tip: keep some TRX tokens in your wallet to cover the TRC20 network fee. Without it, the transaction won't go through. Step 4. Wait for the transfer to complete. Once you've confirmed the withdrawal, your transaction will be processed on the TRC20 network. This usually takes just a few minutes, but times may vary depending on network congestion. You'll see the funds appear in your Binance wallet once the transfer is complete. Step 5. Convert USDT to Bitcoin on Binance. Now that your USDT is in your Binance account, let's convert it into Bitcoin. 1. Go to the Trade section on Binance. 2. Select the Convert option for simplicity. 3. Choose USDT as the currency to sell and BTC as the currency to buy. 4. Enter the amount of USDT you want to convert or click Max to use all your bounds. 5. Review the conversion rate and click Confirm. Pro tip: use the classic TradingView if you want to control the price at which you buy Bitcoin. Common troubleshooting tips. Here are 2 common issues and how to solve them. 1. If your transaction is stuck, check if you have enough TRX for fees. 2. If funds don't appear in Binance, verify the correct deposit address and network were used. For additional help, contact the OKX or Binance support teams. Before we wrap up, remember these 4 key points. 1. Always double-check deposit addresses and networks. 2. Never share your recovery phrase with anyone. It's your financial lifeline. 3. Start with a small test transaction if you're a beginner to avoid any costly mistakes. 4. With these steps, you'll successfully transfer your USDT and convert it to Bitcoin without a hitch. That's it. You're now ready to transfer your TRC20 USDT from OKX to Binance and convert it into Bitcoin. If you found this guide helpful, drop a like, share it with a friend, and don't forget to subscribe for more crypto tutorials. Let me know in the comments what other crypto topics should I cover next.